86,091 divided by 21. First with the scaffold method. So this is going to be, just to list my usual ones, 21 times 2 is 42, and 21 times 10 is 210. I'm thinking, I don't want to do that even bigger. I'd love something that starts with an 8, and I'm thinking I could double that first one. So like 21 times 4 would have to be double 21 times 2, so that would be 84. That looks nice. So if I could subtract 84,000, right? So instead of times 4, I did times 4 and then attach 3 zeros. So 4,000 would be 84,000. So that would give me 2,091. Unfortunately, 2,100 would be too big. So maybe let's just use, well, we could do half of that. Let's see. So if 21 times 10 is 210, 21 times 5 is half of that. So 105, that would work reasonably well. So 21 times 5 is 105, so then 21 times 50 would be 1,050. So then let's subtract. We get 1,041. It's really close to getting another 50 out of that, but not quite. So maybe let's go back to the 4, right? So let's see. 21 times 4 was 84. So that means 21 times 40 would be 840. So then subtract that. I get 201. Unfortunately, the 210 is too big for that. Let's just do the 105. So we know 21 times 5 was 105. So then if I subtract that, that's going to be, worked, yeah, 96. And then I want to use the 84. So extend this a little bit. 21 times 4 was 84. Subtract that and I get 12, and 21 doesn't go into 12, so I could stop there and just add this up. So this would be 4,099 with a remainder of 12. Let's do long division. 86,091 divided by 21. 21 doesn't go into 8, but it does go into 86. Let's see. I know from earlier, 21 times 4 is 84. So that would work here. The remainder is 2, but I'm going to bring the rest of this down. So now 21 won't go into 20, but it will go into 209. Now this is a little tricky because that 0 got brought down, right? So when I say 21 doesn't go into 20, what I'm really saying is it goes in 0 times. And I wouldn't have to do this. I could just move on to the 9 from here, but it doesn't hurt to go ahead and say 0 times 21 is 0. And then subtract that. 20 minus 0 is 20, and then bring the rest down. If you skip that, it's fine. You just go on to 209. So let's see. 21 goes into 209. I know 21 times 10 is 210, so I'm going to try 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So if I subtract this, I get 20. And then bring the rest down. And then 21 into 201. Let's see. Again, I'm going to try 9. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract that, my remainder is 12. 21 is going to 12. So I'm done. This is 4,099 with a remainder of 12.